Welcome to Don Bosco Vazhikaatti, a center for career guidance, training and job placement for past 28 years. Okay, let's see the definition of present continuous. The present continuous tense is used to describe the actions that are happening right now and around the current time. So let's see the formula. So subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. You people know what is subject, right? So you can add subject plus am or is are plus verb. Example, drive is a verb. You can convert this into ing, like you can add verb plus ing, which means driving. Here you can see the examples. I am driving is a present continuous tense, and er, she, it, is. If you get all this, you want to add is, he, she, it. You want to add is plus verb plus ing. He is working. So next example, if you have we, you, they, you want to use are, which means we are doing, they are doing. So this is the example of present continuous tense. It will include ing. So here we can see the scenario, like I am doing something, I started to doing it and I haven't finished. So we are in the middle of the process. So how we can use this present continuous tense? Let's see. Where is Mark? He is having a shower. So you should not say he has a shower. You want to say he is having a shower. So ing is a present continuous. And next you can see I am trying to work. You should not say not I try. You want to say trying, which means you want to add ing to the present continuous. I am trying to work. So next, sometimes the action is not happening at that time of speaking. So you should not say we are speaking. How can you say this is present continuous? So let's see the example for this. So here Steve is talking in a call. So he is telling his friend, like, I am reading a real good book at the moment about a man who. He is saying that I am reading a book. So here you can see Steve says I am reading, but he is not reading the book at the time of speaking. So he means that he started reading the book but not yet completed. So he is in the middle of reading it. So we call it as present continuous. The process has been started but it is not completed. It is ongoing. So we state it as present continuous. And next, present continuous that you can use with today, week or this year. You can use these periods for the present continuous. Let's see the examples. You are working hard today. So here working is a present continuous and today is the time period that you are using. So you should not say you work hard today. You should not say you work hard. You want to say it as I'm working hard, which is a progress thing. It is a continuing thing. You want to say I'm working today. Next example, the company I work for isn't doing so well this year. So here we are using the here period and the present continuous tense of doing. You should not say I do. You want to say doing. So you can understand the meaning for this. The company I work isn't doing well this year, which means the company is not doing well for this year. It is not completed. It is ongoing. It is not doing. So it is a present continuous. And next, you use the present continuous when to talk about the change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way. If your progress has been started, what are the verbs that you can use? So here it is. You can use getting, becoming, starting, beginning, increasing, rising. So here you can see the example. Is your English getting better? So here you should not say does your English get better. You want to ask it is getting better because you are in the progress. You are learning it. So you want to ask in the present continuous. Your English is getting better. So ing. Next one. The population of the world is increasing very fast. You should not say increases. It is a continuous process. Whether the population increases or decreases, you want to say it as present continuous. Like world is increasing, not increases, it is increasing, which means you want to add ing. Here are the exercises for you, so you can work on it. What is happening in this picture? Choose from these verbs. So you can choose the verbs from this picture. So give your answers in the comment box so that I can check. So what is this? What is the answer for first question? Dash a picture. You can choose the verb from it. Whether cross, tie or taking. And second one, he dash shoelace. And third one, dash the road. So come on the answers. Next exercise. So write questions, use the present continuous. You want to write questions based on the present continuous. What's all that noise? Dash. What happened? You want to state it as present continuous. How you will write this? You know present continuous is an ongoing process. It is a progress. So how you will ask the question? Yes, you can write it down. So who are those people? Yes, what they do. You want to convert this into present continuous. How you will ask it in a present continuous. So put your answers in the comment box. And the next exercise you can work on is put the verb into correct for positive I am doing or negative I am not doing. So here are the questions for you. Please don't make so much noise. Dash, I try to work. So how you will say it in present continuous. And next question is, let's go out now. Dash, it rain anymore. So convert into the present continuous and come on the answers. So let's see the answers if you have commented. The first one is taking, tie, cross, and you can ask present continuous question as what is happening. And second one, what are they doing? You can ask like what are they doing. And sixth one answer is I am trying. It isn't raining. So these are the answers for the exercises. I hope you have given the right answers. Thank you for listening. Thank you.